All right, so we have let the mattress sit out for about a day, and I am very pleased with the thickness of this. As you can see, when it is getting shipped to you, it is vacuum sealed, and be careful when you're opening this up because as you can see here, this thing popped right open, so definitely try and lay it flat as much as you can. Now, a few things I love about the mattress is how comfortable this top cushion is. And then it is like a springy mattress, but you can't feel the springs because of how thick this padding is. So it is most definitely like a medium to soft firmness. There's really good support. You're not going to sink into this. There is some good support, yet you're getting all that comfort you need with the padding on this. The fabric and material feels so high quality. It feels like it's never going to itch my skin when I'm laying down on it. And as you can see, someone else here agrees with me on the comfort of this mattress. Of course, this is the twin size, comes in the queen, king, and then of course different heights as well. But I'm really a fan of this thickness, a true twin size, and honestly one of the better mattresses I have reviewed. So if you have been hunting around for a mattress, I would recommend to look no further. You will definitely be pleased with this mattress right here like I am. 5-star review, nothing bad to say about it. It rose up exactly how I wanted it to. Really nice stitching and padding on the top of here. Just a very high quality mattress. So I would highly recommend this to you. I should say we highly recommend this to you.